Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be doing stir-fried chicken in scallion sauce. So let's start cooking. We'll now start to marinate our boneless chicken thigh. I have with me over here 480 grams of boneless chicken thigh, cut into small pieces like this. We'll add in 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Add in also 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Half a teaspoon of sugar. A few dashes of white pepper. Mix them up well. Now add in 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Mix them up well too. Finally add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Mix this up well and we'll marinate this in the fridge for approximately half an hour. I'll see you back in a while. Now we are going to fry our scallion first. Heat up your pan, add in oil. We don't have to wait for the pan to heat up. We just need to extract as much flavor as possible from the scallion. I'm using one whole big scallion, only utilizing the white part for this moment. Just cut into half. Just put everything in. We need to brown them a little and to extract as much flavor as possible. Remember to move them around. Now the important thing for this dish is to actually take your chicken out from the fridge before you fry it. 10-15 minutes before you cook this dish. Just rest it at room temperature. The reason for doing so is because we want it to cook evenly. Now you can smell the beautiful flavor from the scallion. We add in our chicken. Spread the chicken out. Brown them a little bit. I'm using medium flame over here. Don't worry if the chicken sticks onto your pan, because later we'll deglaze it with some water. Just let it pan fry and let the chicken sear for a minute or two. Now we add the water in, 80 milliliters of water. This smells so good right now. Right? Just scrape everything out. All these are flavor. If it's a little dry, you can feel free to add in a little bit more water, no problem. Smells really, really good. This will be really, really nice with steamed rice. The chicken is almost cooked now. We're adding the rest of our scallion. Just give it another light stir. Extremely delicious and very fast and easy to cook. If you like it a little spicy, you can always add in 1 or 2 pieces of chili, no problem. Right, look at how beautiful this dish is. Time to have our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Time to eat. The chicken is very tender and juicy. You can taste the beautiful fragrance from the scallion. This is a really easy and good dish. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. The subscription is free. So we'll see you again. Thank you.